Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Office 365 error code 0-2054. Let's start by checking some basics, as simple issues often cause this problem. First, verify your internet connection is active and strong, because Office needs to communicate with its servers. Then, a quick restart of your computer can resolve many temporary glitches, often surprising users with its effectiveness. If restarting does not work, the next step is to repair your Office installation using Windows built-in tools. Go to your control panel, navigate to Programs and Features, then locate your Microsoft Office 365 entry. Right-click it and select Change, then choose Quick Repair first. If the error persists, repeat the process but select Online Repair for a more extensive fix, which might take up to 20 minutes to complete. Sometimes, old cached data or conflicting credentials cause Office to misbehave. To resolve this, open Credential Manager by searching for it in your Windows search bar. Under Windows Credentials, remove any entries related to Microsoft Office or Office 365. Additionally, clearing your Office cache by navigating to specific app data folders and deleting their contents can often fix persistent problems, ensuring a fresh start for your applications. Damaged Windows system files can sometimes impact how Office applications function, leading to errors. We can check for these issues using the System File Checker tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then type sfc/scano and press Enter. This process will scan all protected system files and replace corrupted ones with correct versions, which can take several minutes, possibly up to 25 minutes, to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.